Okay. First, here's Mommy. First combination fly swim lesson. Here's Quacker. We'll get him to take off. Okay. Go see your Mommy. Go see your Mommy. Go on. Come on, find your Mommy. She's in there. Come on, find your Mommy. She's in there. Come on. It's it. Work your way through. There you go. There you go. Okay. You go on in. You go on in.
Come on, Quacker. Quack, 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 quack.
Here he comes.
Boy. Come on, Quacker. Quack, 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 quack.
Start pushing off.
Quacker.
Here he comes. There you go. You got him.
Boy.
Go on, Quacker. Go, go, go. Go find your Mommy. Good.
Hi, Quacker. Good boy. How are we, huh?
There's Dingy Duck.
Hi, Quacker. Quack, 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 quack. Hi, baby boy. Got some milk there to eat?
Paddle out, see what happens. He's a-coming.
Good boy, Quacker. Hi, baby.
Take him for a tour of the lake.